Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco part number RPRS24L. This is a 24-inch left-hand heavy-duty hold-open arm. This is a hold-open arm that is an item that is aside from their standard series of hardware, where it will come as a kit. You then have thicker, heavier duty arms like this that are used in those engineered special roof hatch type applications. These arms don't come as a kit with the track or with the fasteners. They come all as separate pieces. And this video is to really serve as visual and then dimensional evidence of what a custom 24-inch arm would look like. So they say that this is the replacement hold-open arm. That means that this would mount as you view the roof hatch from the roof and it's open in front of you. This will be on the left side. Okay, the track is going to fit in here on the lid. This will be the left side. The dimensional properties of this 24-inch hold-open arm where they're coming up with that is the center. It'll be difficult to show this on the camera, but basically the center of the handle to the center of the pivoting point is 24-inch. That's what they're saying on that. Okay. This arm is about 1.5 inches tall. I can't really see the dimension there. Let's take a closer look. Let's start over. So 1.5 inches, that's indeed correct. Okay, about 1/4 inch thick. The mounting point for the sidewall, overall height, about 4.5. Overall width, okay, about 1.5 inches. The dimensional properties, the placement of the holes from the one end, looks like we've got about 3/4 inch down to about 3 3/4 inch. Okay. Along with this replacement handle, you will get replacement hold-open arm. They did indicate that fasteners are not included with these, but on this order they sent not only the red vinyl handle, but the series of fasteners. Now, having said that, you should only need 2 of them to install this. But on this order, they did include the fasteners, which are not generally included, so be careful to order those separately, because while they were included on this order, the manufacturer has specifically stated the arm, the cover track, and the fasteners are all sold separately, so be mindful of that. Order fasteners. That will be the sure way that you're going to get fasteners, should you need them. I would expect that you would. This arm weighs about 3.8 pounds, so it's a very heavy piece of zinc dichromate steel. Okay. Now, where will you use this? I can't tell you because I don't know. The factory does not publish a list of those parts and then give compatibility of where those are all used. I wish that they would. How we determine the client needed this starts with many other successful installations of replacement hardware by the client forwarding us photographs. Luckily, this client had a serial number on the side of on the sidewall of the unit. A serial number will always allow us to then contact the factory, who can then give us the bill of materials, which will then determine the parts needed for everything, eliminating all the guesswork. So if you happen to be looking at guide arms and yours isn't exactly like this, look for that photographic evidence to send to us, especially the serial number when possible. Take as many photographs as you can and send them to us, and we'll work to determine exactly what is needed to get you the correct parts so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in roof hatch, installations, whether it be a roof hatch or a vault door or a terrazzo pan door. These are items that cost a significant amount of money, and the installation aspect is tremendous as well. Any questions on the Bilco RPRS24L heavy-duty 24-inch left-hand hold-open arm only, or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.